Welcome to English listening practice lesson. Today we will practice English together about topic three daughters at a slow speed to improve your listening and speaking skills. Pay attention and listen carefully. Once upon a time in a small town there lived a happy family named the Smith family. Mr. and Mrs. Smith had three lovely daughters, Sarah, Emily, and Lily. Sarah, the oldest, was a dreamer. She loved to read stories about faraway lands and brave knights. She would spend hours lost in a book, her imagination taking her on amazing adventures. Emily, the middle child, was a creative soul. She loved to draw pictures of flowers, animals, and people. She saw beauty in everything and filled her notebooks with colorful drawings. Lily, the youngest, was a bundle of energy. She loved to play outside, run around, and laugh. She was always curious and loved to explore. The three sisters were very close. They loved to play together, share secrets, and help each other. They would often play hide and seek in the garden, build forts in the living room, and bake cookies in the kitchen. One summer, the Smith family decided to go on a road trip. They packed their bags, loaded the car, and set off on an adventure. They drove through the beautiful countryside, past rolling hills and sparkling lakes. They stopped at many interesting places. They visited a farm where they saw cows, pigs, and chickens. They went to a museum where they learned about history and saw ancient artifacts. They even went to the beach where they built sandcastles, swam in the ocean, and collected seashells. At night, they camped under the stars. They roasted marshmallows over a campfire and told stories. Sarah shared her dreams of becoming a writer. Emily talked about her hopes of being an artist, and Lily wished to travel the world. Mr. and Mrs. Smith listened with pride. They encouraged their daughters to follow their dreams and never give up. The road trip ended, but the memories stayed with them. Sarah wrote stories about her adventures, Emily painted pictures of the beautiful places they visited, and Lily dreamed of exploring new countries. Years later, Sarah became a famous writer, her books loved by people all over the world. Emily's paintings were displayed in art galleries, admired for their beauty and creativity. Lily, true to her dream, traveled the globe, experiencing different cultures and making lifelong friends. But no matter how far they went or how much they achieved, they never forgot their family. They always came back home to share their adventures and spend time with their loved ones. The story of Sarah, Emily, and Lily shows that with hard work, imagination, and a little bit of luck, dreams can come true. It's a story about family, friendship, and following your heart.